If you're putting your hands on a woman, that's a cowardly thing to do.
Yes, sir.
You're saying you've choked her, you've thrown her against the wall, you've done this and that. What gives you license to do that? The fact that somebody else did it?
Yeah, I have no right to do it. I know that it's wrong to do it, and I shouldn't be doing it. However, I do have a problem. I do want to get better. I have been working on my problem, and I'm...
Gotta say this.
The net and Emma trolls, dissing women, many you relate. Piss me off like that, liquid that you urinate. Take your own advice from your song, Usazvifurire and the came prepared to fumigate. Mutilate your pussy face, the copper chains, you be fake. Created what you then became, still I'm fresh with UDK. Grew up on the UGK, Vamwe Hati 2KK. Kosi Kuchi Koro Kosi Nasi Haisi Goody Day. Panna Wacho Anema Demoni Equa MGK. Takampa Kurira when he came in with an empty tray. Iya isi Toro Sha chess, you see the games we play. Nobo Gochu Consign Pa Bigini Nuri Benzi say. Mari Tenzi Day, Mamure Guerrera every day. Hana Chano Ziva Aku Derera, he gets it gay. So I said it straight, get him women, maybe set the date. See it from his eyes for a minute, understand the hate. 7 albums later, we don't know what you've been talking about. 30 views on each means, who cares what you've been talking about? Run to fucking day, but you never touching Kiki's ass. Literally and numbers wise, Kiki gonna kick his ass. I'm a blogger, so I'm guilty cause we tricked his ass. Overhyping stuff, now he drowning in the sickest mess. Nancy and 10 Diamond, murdered you in Mueya. Buried you in bars, then I put you in my prayers. You brought him on the song, secretly hoping to make him. Nobody remembers your verse cause you couldn't check him. Then you made the lie that it's cause you just respect them. You jam trying to get the crowns, hoping to get them. You even did the second best, sick in their recovery. You jealous to the artery, I was it. You started leaving quiet about your bitch and dissing women, now you gotta be kidding me, that's cowardly as fuck, and so it got to me. Brought to me the beef, I mean you gotta be relieved, cause you've been dying for a scalpel, trying to measure up your muscle while you drunk on iron lagers when you can't afford the castle. Can't be in the castle cause you couldn't be the king of hip-hop when you cannot buy the things that you sing of. Bichukuchi shona nechurungu choose a lingo. Siya mwana skana ndokurumi sana bingo. What you know that drama ndokuvigira sa gringo. Got you walking on the roof kungefiri monsa. Director Wechibambi is the film on. Are you still jealous of the ladies? Is the feeling on when you can't see your career cause it's really gone?